Hi, I'm Nitya from Implementology. We are starting a new how-to series and this is the first video on how to set up a web-to-lead form in Salesforce. Setting up a web-to-lead form in Salesforce allows you to capture leads directly from your website into your Salesforce CRM, streamlining your lead generation process. Let's walk through the steps to set this up. In Salesforce, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the setup menu. Type Web to Lead in the quick find box and select Web to Lead from the results. Ensure that the Web to Lead is enabled. If it's not, click the Edit button, check the Enable Web to Lead box, then click Save. Click Create to Web Lead Form. In the Form Builder interface, choose the fields you want to include by moving them from the Available Fields list to the Selected Fields list. Click Generate. You'll see the HTML code for your form. Customize the form as needed, then copy the entire HTML code. Open your website's HTML editor and paste the copied HTML into the location where you want the form to appear. Save and publish your changes. Go to your website, fill out the form, and submit it to test it. Ensure the lead information is captured in Salesforce. Log back into Salesforce, navigate to the Leads tab, and verify that the test submission appears as a new lead in your system. And that's it. You have successfully set up a web to lead form in Salesforce. Now you can capture leads directly from your website and manage them efficiently in your CRM. Happy lead capturing! If you need help setting up your Salesforce CRM, feel free to reach out at hello@implementology.io and visit our website implementology.io.